Hospital setting profile video presentation. General Civil Hospital, Godhra. Fieldwork Supervisor Mr. Ashwin Patel. Agency Supervisor Dr. Puri Desai, Pathologist. Present by Kalpesh Kumar Baria. General Civil Hospital, Godhra is a government hospital providing health care facilities to the people. Its main objective is to provide low-cost primary health facilities. Function of General Civil Hospital. First one, patient care. Second one, training. Third one, health education. And the last, medical research. Administration structure: Dr. R.S. Rawat, Dr. M.G. Pisagar, Dr. A.I. Upadhyay, Dr. Mona Pandya, Dr. Purvi Desai, Dr. Bhadresh Panchiwara, Dr. Mukundra Dindor, Dr. Nishant J. Seth, and Dr. Paramjit Bohra. A hospital is a multifaceted organization comprising many committees, departments, type of personnel, and services. It requires highly trained employees, efficient system and controls, necessary supplies, adequate equipment and facilities, and of a overview of social workers. Social workers in hospital and medical centers provide frontline service to patients with conditions spanning the entire health care continuum. According to a national survey of Legion, social works hospitals are the most common primary employment setting for healthcare social workers. For purpose of these documents, the term hospital refers to the variety of general and specialized acute care medical facilities. Hospital social workers practice in increasingly specialized environments and are faculties assigned to specific medical units that are based on diagnosis, age, of gender, examples of social workers specialized within a hospital include pediatrics, oncology, nephrology, transplant, and emergency trauma. In addition to clinic roles, social workers are also employed in hospital leadership roles and may serve as a manager of administration of specific hospital programs such as mental health, aging, or community outreach. Overview of functions. Hospital social workers help patients and their families understand a particular illness, work through the emotions of a diagnosis, and provide counseling about the decisions that need to be made. Social workers are also essential members of interdisciplinary hospital teams, working in connect with doctors, nurses, and allied health professionals. Social workers, scientists, other health care providers to the social and emotional aspect of patient illness. Hospital social work use case management skills to help patients and their families address and resolve the social, financial, and psychological problems related to their health condition. Job function that a social worker might perform within a hospital include initial screening and evaluation of patient and families, comprehensive psychologist assessment of patients, helping patients and families understand the illness and treatment option, as well as consideration of various treatments or treatment refusal. Educating patients on the rules of healthcare team members, assisting patients or families in communicating with one another and to members of healthcare team, interpreting information. The physician is the leader of the clinical team and the major agent working on behalf of the patient. The physician's responsibility is to diagnose the patient's condition accurately and to present the best and most cost-effective treatment plan. The medical staff is formally organized self-governing unit within the hospital, primarily consisted of the physicians, but may also include their doctoral level healthcare professionals such as a diagnostic or psychologist. Teaching cum research hospital like AIMS General Hospital to provide medical care like district, taluka, PHC, Special hospital concentration on a particular aspect or organs of the body and provide medical care like cancer, dental, physicians, TB, etc. Aspects of hospital services: line service, staff service, and auxiliary service. Emergency service: emergency treatment of illness of urgent natural injuries from accidents. Our patient service: provisions of diagnosis, curative, preventive, and receptive service. Inpatient service. What? Intensive care unit: those who need acute multiplication and intensive operation and treatment. Operations theater should have a pre-anesthesia room and sterilization room and a scrub room for doctors and nurses.
HIV is the human immunodeficiency virus. If you have HIV, you have an infection that damages your immune system over time and causes AIDS. AIDS stands for Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome. It is the final stage of an HIV infection when your immune system is damaged and too weak to fight off ordinary infections.
Thank you.